It's Wednesday! Happy Wednesday! Yeah, from me, Renzo.
Man, it's a good day today, man. It's 75 degrees Fahrenheit, but the wind, it's a gale. It's almost like 40 miles an hour. If Renzo's out here, he'll be blown away.
It is outside, KJ. What you talking about, Willis? It's not blowing me away. I'm looking out for Winnie the Pooh. Because, see, Winnie the Pooh? Yeah, right down my shirt. Okay, so, instead of Wednesday, Wednesday, I can't spell, I'm on time. Okay, so it's the day that's in the middle of the weeks? Yeah. So it's Wednesday. So we're calling it Windsday. Because it's windy outside, we call it Wednesday. So, yeah, so Pooh and Piglet, they're playing in the yard. And we're gonna fly on a balloon, fly away, and go boom! Boom! Boy, that's gonna be some funny stuff. Funny stuff. Yep. So how y'all like my new outfit? I got my red hat with Coca-Cola. And I got my shirt with Winnie the Pooh. I got Pooh in my shirt. Get it? Pooh. I got my shorts, my other shorts. Yeah. I'm just enjoying a nice little day with KJ outside and watching. I want to go play with Pooh. Wait, that didn't even sound right. I want to play with Pooh. Yeah, well, let me just take a crap right here. And then we just stick my hands in it and stir it all up and play with it. That's so nasty. But anyway, so Winnie the Pooh and Piglet fly away, and then, and it's so windy outside. Mary Poppins. Let's go fly up to the highest height, and then it's soaring up to the high. I don't know the song. You're not ignorant, like some people in the world. Okay, let's go have fun with Winnie the Pooh and Piglet on Wednesday. Okay, Ian Kermit. Okay, I'm gonna teach you how to play Cajun Bowling. Yep, I'm Cajun from Lower Valley Plantation in Thibodaux, Louisiana. And you're German. You're from Germany. Yeah, 'cause Dadu, Jughead, Brandenburg. That's German. Boudreaux. Yeah, that's me. Boudreaux from Thibodaux. Okay, so I'm gonna teach you how to Cajun bowl. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna set your Coca-Cola pins up. Then you're gonna take a carrot. Yeah, not a carrot, a carrot. And you're gonna roll it. And you're gonna knock the pins down. And whoever gets the most pins down wins the game. You got that? Oh my goodness, what I'm gonna do with this little brother? He don't do nothing. He just sits there and drinks Pepsi. You don't see nothing. Nothing at all. He's like his dad, his father. Yep. Standing still is the greatest move he ever made. That's it. We're done. Yay! I win. And, Ian Kermit, you're the first loser. Yeah, you're the second winner. Yep. I'm in first place. You're in second place. So that means you're the first loser. Okay? Stuff like that. Like that. Say it like that. Like that. Stuff like that. Like that. That's how we make it. Like that. Okay, we're gonna play a game. We're gonna play again? Oh, bother. Oh my goodness. Well, that's it, y'all. I tried. I'm gonna try it again every day to make him do something. But he's just gonna sit there with his Tiana pillow. Unbelievable. Okay, y'all. Bye-bye. Don't forget, every day is a brand new ride. Yeah. Vroom, vroom, vroom.